Yo guys, so in this video we will discuss how to register MEXC. Yes, for friends who want to register at MEXC, you can log in to the link that I will share below. If you can't log in, you can use VPN. Yes, friends, or you change the DNS to 1.1.1.1 or 1.1.1.12. After that you fill in the email and also you create a password. Yes, friends, here for the password at least 10 characters and one uppercase letter and one lowercase letter. With one number at least, friends. Well, after that you can use this referral code to get a discount from every time you trade. Yes, friends. Besides that, you also get a bonus like this, friends. Register through referral, then you will get a bonus of up to $8,020 like that. The code is 1B small y large PK small. Then you click register. Then you verify via email. Well, like your disk. Okay. And boom, you have successfully registered at MEXC. The next step is that you definitely do KYC, then you link it with your hand number. Then Google Authenticator, and so on. Well, here for the bonus, you can check it in the activity and bonus features. Friends, you do some of the existing tasks, then you just claim the voucher like this. Register to get your reward, just send it later, $20. This task must be KYC, so you have to have your personal data, more or less like that. Later you can check it in my reward and you can use it here. Okay, friends. That's enough for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.